Hello, welcome to the Mohawk Valley's most accurate, educational, fun forecast right here on CNY Weathertainment, encouraging you to like the Weathertainment fan page. Trivia teaser. Oh, this is a long list, but it's an interesting question. Which one of these kills the most people annually? Volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, or lightning? That's quite the list. Gonna have to think about that. Meanwhile, Fuzzy the Weather Bear wearing his rain slicker because it's going to be a super soaker for Thursday and for Friday as well. It's going to be cool and damp through Saturday, but when the sun comes out, wow, huge difference. Only low 40s in the heavy rain of Thursday and Friday, cloudy on Saturday. Sunday, upper 50s on the transition, warm front passes through with a shower Sunday evening and night, and look at Monday and Tuesday, holy cowabunga. What a difference 4 or 5 days will make around here. Low pressure, actually enhanced by a little secondary storm down the Appalachian Trail. This storm, coming out of Colorado, intensifying rapidly and growing in size as well as slowing down in speed. The worst of all scenarios if you don't want flooding rains. Because that's the kind of scenario where you get flooding rains, and not just for central New York, but throughout New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia. Not a good scenario here. Also has a lot of wind with it. 32 mile per hour wind gusts in the windy city of Chicago. Memphis, 36 miles per hour. 34 in Shreveport. 3 dozen cousin wind gusts in Kansas City. So it's a big wind maker as well. It's moving literally on this line through Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, basically overhead or slightly to our west. And it is growing rapidly. Look at the frames go by here. Beginning, middle, end. Came out of Wyoming and Colorado, started intensifying rapidly over the Panhandle, and is now spinning and growing in intensity and size right across St. Louis and moving in our direction over Lake Erie and Lake Ontario Thursday and on Friday. So when that pushes in, you're going to know it. It's going to be a soaker of a day Thursday. We saw a little over an inch of rain on Tuesday. We're going to see 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of rain on Thursday alone, and more on Friday. So if you have issues with your basement or small streams or creeks nearby, you really need to watch this for Thursday. Meanwhile, Wednesday, the clouds never really broke up like I hoped. Just a few glimmers of sun breaking through the clouds once in a while. But because of that, we never got close to my forecast high. So it busted. The average high is 53 now. The record is 81. 500ths from after midnight into early Wednesday morning before the rain quit. Look at the daylight. Almost 13 hours worth. We'll get there on Thursday, but you're not going to see any of it. Or Friday. You can support Weathertainment by telling your friends, sharing it on Facebook, and by purchasing through the website. Back to the trivia question. You think about it? What kills the most people? Volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, and lightning. I try not to make them easy. Otherwise, what would be the point? So, from least to most, here we go. Not volcanoes. Lowest on the list. Not hurricanes. Closely followed by not earthquakes. Leaving tornadoes, floods, and lightning. Is your choice still there? What about now? Believe it or not, the number one killer and the number one most avoidable death by is flash floods. And half of all the flash flooding accidents and deaths occur when people drive into water that elevates the vehicle and takes them down the river. This is why we say you don't want to drive into water that's halfway up your hubcap. If you can't see the bottom, you don't drive through it. And this is a perfect scenario to make that point because it's going to be heavy rain all day Thursday. The temperature's not going to get a chance to warm up. Lighter rain Thursday night. The wind will begin shifting from southeast to southwest. Friday, little temperature change and light rain all day. Not heavy, but it'll be steady for most of the day. High of only 42. It'll quit early Saturday morning as drizzle. It'll stay pretty cloudy through most of the day, so we'll say mainly cloudy. And then Sunday, the sun will come out and the temperature will respond. And look at Monday. Wow! With a shower Sunday night leading to warmer temperatures. Monday and Tuesday now expecting highs in the low 70s. That's your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Make it a great day.